Welcome to my guys.
Hi, baby.
Mechanics sa ato ang quiz bowl. Natay tulo ka category ang history, math ug ang science. Each category kay naay 5 questions. So mga general questions ni siya ani nga mga category, easy ra jud kayo. So 1 point kada question nga masakto. Ang first nga makuha og kinahayas nga score kay syempre makadawat siya og gold medal. Tapos ang second kay nay silver, nya ang third kay bronze, nya ang lowest score kay naay consequence nga pagabuhaton.
Building ako.
So aware na mo guys sa unsay may tabo. Sige, start na ta.
Number 1. If Manuel L. Quezon is the first president of the Philippines, who is the 7th president of the Philippines that died on a plane crash in Cebu? Gaan na mong 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer! Raise your tag word. Answer pa. Show your answer.
Uy! Dali, uy! Ulo ka bro, to Jordan, oy!
Jerkim got the correct answer.
Next question. Who is the composer of the Philippine National Anthem or the Lupang Hinirang?
Isa mo na eh.
Check po.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Bruno Mars.
Luis Salud! Luis Salud! No one got the correct answer. The correct answer is Julian Felipe. Buguan niya. Aminaw.
Dali oy.
Third question. What is the national fish of the Philippines? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ulo sana on.
Ding! Everyone got the correct answer.
Fourth question. If Andres Bonifacio is the ama ng himagsikan, Manuel L. Quezon is ama ng blank. Tubaw sa mga uri. 5!
Ali kay question.
Hulo, ay grabe. Ako mo, just para di mo ikaw rin maminaw. 5,
Maniwagi yung joke, mapildi yung kuhan eh.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Then, sir.
The answer is Manuel L. Quezon is the ama ng wika. Hoy, pang-squila! Sure, jerky! Gusto na, oy!
Wikang Filipino.
Oh, layo again! Last question for... Oy, sabay!
Again.
Last question for the first category. When do we celebrate Araw ng Kagitingan? When do we celebrate Araw ng Kagitingan? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! December, August 20. Ito din na, August 20 eh. June 12. Imo? April 9. Wow, so amazing. Jerkim got the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the second category. Our category is science. The first question is, what group of animals does whales belong? What group of animals does whales belong?
Wins?
Whales. Butanding dong! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Raise your... Wow, mammals! Amazing! You got the correct answer, everything. Question number 2. What is the element symbol of potassium? What is the element symbol of potassium? 5, 4, 3, 2. Lalay na dyan sila. 1. Raise your boards. Wrong na si Kent! Galing punta na Kinay. Okay, guys. Third question. Where can we find the smallest bone in the human body? Where can we find the smallest bone in the human body?
Unsa man na oy?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your boards, please. Dali, oy! Wow, please! Uy, sumbong ka mo, pastor. Isa sa na inyong mga board, yung ako kaklamo.
Bisag sayop ba?
Fit.
Wala ko answer.
Ikaw, wala. Ikaw, Kim. The correct answer is ears.
Silingan na.
Wow, magpa... Fourth question. What type of soil is best for planting? What type of soil is best for planting? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! No answers, wow. Dali, ay, raise na yun.
Slap
Si Sap.
soil.
Sap. Upa ka mo po sa ayuda.
Answer.
The answer is Utah.
Show your answer. Show, ayun rin yung i-down dayon.
Wala ka, amazing ni Jorkim. Correct si Jorkim. Okay, hoy, paminaw.
Hindi na makapas ay.
Last question.
7 points na.
Who is the father of gravity? Who is the father of gravity? Eskwela magtarong ha. 5, 4, 3,
Nyasa.
2,
Di na mo.
1.
Di ano yun, nyasa.
Give chance.
Raise your boards! Isam lang Isaac. Raise your boards! Uy!
Wala ko answer.
Erase ba?
Erase lang.
Oh, erase na ako. Ako erase.
Praise hallelujah. Susunod. Isaac. Kagaya sa na yung apelido eh.
Newton.
Oh, char. Sige. Okay, last category. Our last category is about math. Number 1. Number 1, paminaw. In 12,345 ha, what is the place value of 3? 12,345, what is the place value of 3? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hala, lahi na Jude, amazing, correct, you got everything. Yeah, second question. What is 150 in Roman numerals? What is 150 in Roman numerals?
400. Ay.
Roman numerals, pila ang 150? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mabtag ka kung mana mo XX yan.
So,
Raise your boards. Sa Ibo. Ay, pero.
Answer.
150. Imo, Ki.
Answer.
Show your answers. I-show ba?
Asa din yung answer? Ay,
I-show yung answers.
Answer.
From States.
imo, bot.
9.
Wala.
Ay, 9.
Wala pa ako kahuman.
Oh, pakawan sa mga pakaman.
Answer.
The correct answer is CL. Jude! Oh my God!
Oh, cancel.
Third question. How many possible outcomes do we have in tossing a coin?
Wow, probabilities.
Wow. Oh, syempre, statistics.
Start.
How many possible outcomes do we have in tossing a coin? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your boards.
ito.
Wow, amazing! Except Ki Botrong si Ki. Check silang tanan.
Oh, nagtituloy ba?
Fourth question. What is the absolute value of pi? What is the absolute value of pi?
Kato yung wala
Tanan.
Ay, wala mo.
Tanan.
Uy.
Oh, ayaw ka na.
Kuha na lang.
Ah, sige, kato na lang.
Decimal places na lang.
Kuha na lang.
Four decimal places.
Oh, sige, sige.
Kuan? Ayaw.
4 na.
No, kansigo na.
What is the absolute place value of place value? What is the absolute value of pi? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your board.
Answers. Basta ba?
Sila.
Consider na lang na. Kanki?
3.4.
Ibagi tayo mga Kim, imayan.
Wala ko.
Mo, Kim.
3.141.
Kansi mo yun, engine ito.
Sila tayo.
Kung
Ayan, guys.
sige, tiebreaker na. Kay given na nga ang first place kay naa ni Jerkim niya. Second si Ki. Kani, tiebreaker na ni sa Cansancio Brothers. Last question. What do we call of a polygon with 7 sides? What do we call a polygon with 7 sides? 5,
7 sa.
4, 3,
Abol, sa ka
2,
to.
1. Raise your boards.
Ay, mugo.
Wrong ka siya.
Consider.
Okay, tayo nagyapon mong duha kay wrong man gyapon ang inyong answer.
Tay.
Hexagon.
Right,
og-
very well consensus.
Hexagon.
Alam talaga ko.
Okay, for the tiebreaker question, spell out dilemma.
Dilema.
Laila.
Spell the word dilemma.
Dilemma.
No bright sa
5, 4,
Dilema.
3, 2, 1. Raise your boards.
Erase, ayos!
Ay, sa.
Raise! Imayan.
Del Monte. Taktara.
Oh, sakto. Ayan, pwede.
To award the winners, may we call on Pamela Jill to present first placer, Jerkim Kanyamo, with a gold medal. Dali sa Kim. Second placer, Edmer James. Third placer, Ken Sancho. And to receive the consequence, ayan.
Nyo mong tularan, guys.
So, mano to guys, dito nag-end ang among quiz bowl for today. So, salamat kayo sa mga ni-participate o ginaot na lingaw mo sa amo ang video.